Buying a car can be pretty intimidating, especially when it comes to credit. If you want to know more about credit and car loans, stick around for the next minute or so, as this video will help. 4 simple ways to apply for a vehicle loan. A. Calculate your monthly payment budget. Include the bills that you have to pay every month and the amount of income that you receive on your paycheck, both before and after withholdings. B. Gather important documents, like 1, your identity and residence. You will need an official government ID or driver's license. 2, your work history and income. Gather your most recent paycheck stubs, and if your job duration is less than 1 year, you may need proof of your previous job's final paycheck, or W-2. If you're a 1099 employee or self-employed, you may have to indicate your income by recent bank deposits. 3, auto insurance. If you have a preferred insurance agent, bring that information with you. Auto Liquidators is prepared to assist you in finding insurance if you don't have a preference. And C, shop for your purchase online or by visiting the dealership of your choice. Tell the dealership the payment that you desire, and you may need to provide certain basic information such as your name, your address, your employment information, and your social security number. So be certain to work with a licensed and bonded auto dealership. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope it helped give you a better understanding about credit. If there's anything that we can do to help you regarding car loans, do not hesitate to reach out. We'd love to have the opportunity to try to help you understand your credit and the car buying process.